Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel.
Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again.
Dave, can I ask you a very important question?
Of course. Should I be worried?
Maybe a little.
Okay. I'm listening.
Imagine this. Tomorrow morning, I give you $1 million.
Wow. First of all, thank you.
You're welcome.
You're a very good friend.
But there is one condition.
Oh, no. There's always a condition.
You can never eat pizza again.
What?
No pizza. Ever.
Keep the money.
Really?
Absolutely. Some things are more important than money.
That was fast.
I didn't even need to think.
What if I offered you $10 million?
Can I still smell the pizza?
No.
Then my answer is still no.
Wow, you really love pizza.
I really do.
Well, that actually brings us to today's topic.
Oh, this sounds serious.
Today's question is, can money buy happiness?
Wow, that's a big question.
It really is.
And honestly, I don't know the answer.
Really?
Yeah, I think money can buy some happiness, but maybe not all happiness.
That's interesting. What kind of happiness can money buy?
Pizza happiness,
Besides pizza.
travel, comfort, helping your family, less stress.
That makes sense.
What do you think? Can money buy happiness?
I think money can make life easier,
I agree.
but I don't think money alone creates a happy life.
That's a good answer.
Thank you.
When you were a child, did you think rich people were always happy?
Honestly, yes.
Me too.
When I was young, I thought having a lot of money solved every problem.
Exactly. I thought rich people never worried about anything.
And now?
Now, I think everyone has problems. Some people just have more expensive problems.
That's probably true.
When I was 10 years old, I thought becoming rich was my dream.
Really? What would you do if you were rich?
I had a plan.
Of course you did.
I wanted a huge house, a swimming pool, a sports car, and unlimited pizza.
Unlimited pizza?
That was the most important part.
What about you? What did you dream about?
Honestly, I didn't dream about being rich.
Really? What did you dream about?
I dreamed about having a happy family.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Thank you.
You know, I think that's why we're different.
Why?
You dreamed about happiness. I dreamed about pizza.
And now?
Now I dream about happiness and pizza.
I think that's progress.
I agree. Dave, you said that when you were young, you dreamed about becoming rich.
That's right.
Did you ever try to become rich?
Actually, yes.
Really? Tell me.
When I was 11 years old, I started my first business.
Oh, wow. What kind of business?
I sold homemade lemonade.
That's adorable.
Thank you. I thought I was a genius entrepreneur.
How much money did you make?
About $3.
That's not bad.
Until I drank most of the lemonade myself.
Seriously?
Yes, business was stressful. I needed refreshments.
How much profit did you make?
Negative $2.
That's impressive.
Thank you. My business career ended very quickly.
Did you feel disappointed?
A little, but mostly thirsty.
That's fair.
What about you? Did you ever try to earn money when you were young?
Actually, yes.
Really? What did you do?
When I was about 12 years old, I decided to sell handmade bracelets.
That's a great idea.
I thought so too.
What happened?
My first customer was my mother.
That's very supportive.
Yes, my second customer was also my mother.
Really?
Yes. Then I realized I only had one customer.
That's a difficult business model.
Very difficult.
How much money did you make?
About $5.
Wow, you were more successful than me.
Only because my mother felt sorry for me.
That's still a strategy.
You know, when I was young, I thought having more money would make me happier.
Me too.
But one experience changed my mind.
Really? What happened?
When I was in school, my family didn't have much money.
Okay.
But every weekend, we ate dinner together. We talked, we laughed, and honestly, those are some of my happiest memories.
Wow, that's beautiful.
What about you? Do you have a memory like that?
Actually, yes.
Really?
When I was growing up, my family didn't travel very much.
Okay,
But every Sunday, we watched movies together at home.
that sounds nice.
We made popcorn, we sat together, and we laughed a lot.
Do you still remember those moments?
Absolutely. Some of my happiest memories cost almost nothing.
That's really interesting.
You know, I think children understand happiness better than adults sometimes.
Really? Why do you think that?
Because children don't need expensive things.
That's true.
They just need family, friends, games, and maybe ice cream.
Ice cream is important.
Very important.
So, can money buy happiness?
Honestly, I think money can buy comfort.
But not happiness?
Not completely, because some of the best things in life can't be bought.
Like friendship?
Exactly. And family. And memories.
And pizza?
Okay, pizza can definitely be bought.
I knew you would say that.
Some traditions are important.
Dave, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Do you know anyone who became much happier because of money?
That's a good question. Actually, yes.
Really? Who?
My uncle.
What happened?
When I was young, my uncle worked very hard. He had 2 jobs. He was always tired.
That sounds difficult.
It was. But after many years, he started his own business.
And?
He became successful. He had more money. But the biggest change wasn't the money.
Really? What was it?
He had more time.
Oh, wow.
He spent more time with his family. He traveled more. And he smiled more.
That's interesting. So, money gave him freedom.
Exactly. That's why I think money can create some happiness.
That makes sense.
What about you? Do you know someone like that?
Actually, yes.
Really?
I had a friend in school. Her family was very wealthy.
Wow. Did she seem happy?
Sometimes, but not always.
Really?
She had a beautiful house, nice clothes, and everything she wanted.
That sounds amazing.
But she often felt lonely.
Oh, that's sad.
She told me that her parents were always busy.
I see.
That's when I learned something important.
What?
Having everything doesn't always mean feeling happy.
Wow, that's a powerful lesson.
I think so too.
You know, when I was a child, I believed rich people had perfect lives.
Me too.
Then I grew up.
And?
I realized everyone worries about something.
That's true.
Some people worry about money. Some people worry about family. Some people worry about work.
And some people worry about everything.
That's definitely me.
Really?
Absolutely. Sometimes I worry about things that haven't even happened yet.
I think many people do that.
Can I tell you an embarrassing story?
Of course.
When I was 14, I thought I found a way to become rich quickly.
Oh, no.
That's exactly what my mother said.
What was your plan?
I wanted to sell old toys online.
That's not a bad idea.
Except they weren't my toys.
What?
I tried to sell my brother's toys.
Dave,
I was planning for our financial future.
what happened?
My brother discovered my business plan.
Oh, no.
My business closed immediately.
Did you learn anything?
Yes, always check ownership first.
That's an important lesson.
Very important.
You know, I think happiness changes as we get older.
I agree.
When I was young, happiness meant getting new things.
Like toys?
Exactly. Now happiness means something different.
Like what?
Peace, family, good health, a quiet weekend.
Wow. That's exactly how I feel.
Really?
Yeah. Although, pizza still makes me very happy.
I was waiting for you to say that.
Some things never change.
You know, Dave, after today's conversation, I think I've changed my answer.
Really? What was your answer before?
I used to think money could not buy happiness.
And now?
Now, I think money can buy some happiness.
That's interesting. Can you explain?
I think money can help us feel safe. It can help our family. It can reduce stress.
I agree.
But I still don't think money can buy everything.
Neither do I.
What do you think money cannot buy?
Real friendship,
That's true.
real love,
Absolutely.
and good memories.
I'm not sure.
Really?
I think money can create memories.
Oh, that's a good point.
For example, traveling with family or having dinner together.
That's true. Money can create opportunities.
Exactly. But people create the happiness.
Wow. That's a really beautiful way to say it.
Thank you.
You know, when I was younger, I always wanted more money.
Me too.
I thought happiness was something I could buy.
And now?
Now, I think happiness is something we build.
I love that.
It comes from family, friends, health, purpose, and sometimes pizza.
I knew pizza would return.
Pizza always returns.
Can I tell you something?
Of course.
Some of my happiest moments happened when I had very little money.
Really?
Yes, talking with friends, laughing with family, walking home after school, simple things.
I understand. Some of my happiest memories are very simple too.
Like what?
Watching movies with my family, traveling with friends, eating food together.
That's beautiful.
You know, maybe happiness is not about having more.
Then what is it about?
Maybe it's about appreciating what we already have.
Wow, that's a wonderful lesson.
Thank you. I think this is my second thoughtful answer today.
That's impressive.
Don't get used to it.
Before we finish, let's ask our listeners a question.
Good idea.
Do you think money can buy happiness?
If someone gave you $1 million tomorrow, what would you do?
Would you travel, help your family, buy your dream home?
Or buy unlimited pizza?
We knew you would say that.
I had to. It's part of my personality.
And remember, money is important.
But happiness can come from many different places.
Family, friendship, health, love.
And sometimes, a really good pizza.
Maybe you're right.
Finally, after all these episodes.
Congratulations.
Thank you. This is one of the happiest moments of my life.
And it didn't cost any money.
Wow, that's the perfect ending.
I think so too.
Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.